We faced a problem with Xperia Z3 single SIM. We replaced the LCD and the touch. That is, sold by the frame. After changing, we had the problem of no signal and we couldn't have any connections. So we found out that this signal cable could be the problem. So be sure that it is all connected. The second problem was the frame itself. See, there are two connectors here on the original frame that is not made or produced here. Of course, there should be some other connectors here too that you can see here on the original frame. So we took the LCD and put it on the original frame to have the two connectors here to connect on the main board. Be good.